Okay, this is the second part of inverse functions from section 4.1, and this time we're dealing with points. So there are several different ways you could see an inverse function in this chapter, and the reason we're starting off with these basics is we're going to look at two functions later on, exponents and logarithms, that are inverses. So it's important to understand what an inverse function is. So when they give it to you as points, they're going to give you a list of points. And here's our list of points. Now remember, in order for this list of points to be a function, no two x's can have different y's. So basically the x value cannot repeat. The y value could repeat, but the x value cannot. So let's say we have these 5 points. Let's do -1, 7. And again, if I'm asked to find the inverse of this, you can see I've put it down here at the bottom. It's the same thing. All we're going to do is we're going to switch the x and y values. So to write the inverse for this function, and I hope you guys are appreciating the fact that these videos are going to be very short. So 3 and 2, we're going to switch that. That becomes the point 2, 3. 5, 1 becomes 1, 5. 6, 3 becomes 3, 6. -4, 2 becomes 2, -4. And -1, 7 becomes 7, -1. So there is my inverse. Okay. Now, this type of problem, they're giving you just points. They may also give it to you on a graph, and it'll be a line or a curve, and on that line or curve will be the points with the coordinates. And again, it's the same thing. You take the x and y coordinates from each point on the graph. Let me put a comma right there. We need a comma. And you just swap them. So the x's become y's, the y's become x's, and you get a similar graph, but it is with the x and y values reversed. So that is all you need to do for inverse functions. Again, there's a worksheet, or I'm sorry, not a worksheet, but there are practice problems with this email. So you have those to work on and complete and email back to me. Have a great day.